Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for automotive enthusiasts. The Rrina 4PC's 304 stainless steel M18x1.5 inner hex head O2 oxygen sensor plug. This little gadget might just be the best M18x1.5 O2 sensor spacer available on the market right now. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, these sensor plugs are built to last. They're designed with industrial-grade strength, offering superb corrosion resistance and protection against moisture, ensuring longevity in any environment. The plugs feature an inner hex head design, making installation a breeze. Whether you're working on your car, motorcycle, or even a marine application. Each plug includes a sealing ring for a tight, secure fit, which is crucial for maintaining optimal performance of your oxygen sensors. What sets these plugs apart is their versatility. Beyond automotive use, they're perfect for various industrial applications like garden or pool equipment. If you need to cap off or replace sensors on pipes, these are your go-to solution. And let's talk about compatibility. These plugs are specifically designed for M18x1.5 threads, with a length of 12 mm. Just ensure this matches your requirements before ordering. Now, why choose Rrina? Well, they've built a reputation for quality and reliability. With over 100 units sold last month and Amazon's choice for automotive oxygen sensors, you can trust their commitment to excellence. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the Rrina 4PC's 304 stainless steel M18x1.5 inner hex head O2 oxygen sensor plug is a practical addition to your toolkit. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours today. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, happy wrenching!